Genetic fallacy is a conclusion that is based on an argument that the origins of a person, idea, institute, or theory determines its character, nature, or worth.
A genetic fallacy is a logical fallacy because the origin of the person, idea, or institute is irrelevant, as it is not based on the current context.
Some of these examples include, if you drive a Honda, you hate America.
Yeah. I'm about to take your girl. Check.
You drive a Honda! You hate America!
This is a genetic fallacy because the origin of the car is not American. Therefore, setting up the origin to attack the object shows anti-American sentiments.
John's sells Nike merchandise. Therefore, St. John's supports sweatshops.
You know what we called you down here today, Mr. Brown?
Is that a racist joke?
We here at the St. John's Jesuit High School and Academy do not support Nike company because it is not a fair trade product.
Okay. Is that better? Like the shoes, by the way.
Thanks.
This is a genetic fallacy because the origin of the project is from sweatshops. Therefore, setting up the origin to attack that those who wear the product support the use of sweatshops creates a logical fallacy.
If you're a football playing jock, then you're a tool. Ow, my butt!
You okay, dude?
This is a genetic fallacy because the origin of a person who plays sports constitutes that they are going to be self-centered jerks.
Strawman fallacy is when an arguer oversimplifies an opponent's viewpoint and then attacks that hollow argument.
The straw man is a logical fallacy because the source of the argument does not stem from the initial ideas posed, but rather distorts those ideas.
Cats and dogs are opposite. If you love dogs, you have to hate cats.
I like dogs.
So you hate cats?
Why do you hate cats?
Think
What
about
have
the
cats
sound of
ever done
cats.
to you?
What do you think they're gonna do? What do they do?
This is a straw man fallacy because the first person argues that dogs are great, while the second attacks a distorted version of the argument that cats are therefore bad.
If people love snow, then what's going to happen to the crops? They're all going to die, and people are going to starve.
I love the snow so much. The snow is such a marvelous thing.
You know what the snow does to crops? It kills them. Think about Ma, Pa, Rose and Sharon.
This is a straw man fallacy because the first person expresses their love of the snow, but the second argues against a distorted version that if it snowed all the time, there would be no crops and people would starve.
You love ice cream, then you're going to always eat ice cream, and if you only eat ice cream, you're going to get really fat and die.
I must have one more scoop.
I tried to tell him.
Well, more ice cream for me.
Yeah, same.
Let's go.
This is a straw man fallacy because the first person makes a claim that ice cream tastes good, while the other argues against another distorted version that if all you ate was ice cream, you would become fat and eventually die.